Hi everybody, welcome back to Curiosity Corner. I'm Claire from the Exhibits Department at the Great Lakes Science Center, and you joined me this morning to hear a little bit more about the exhibit development process, from brainstorming to design to prototyping to fabricating. Most importantly though, we gave you a call to action because we want you at home to help us design our next big special exhibition. And it will be a special one because it's scheduled to coincide with our 25th anniversary at the Great Lakes Science Center. So if you haven't already, go ahead and take our survey. Give us your ideas, tell us what you think about when you think about Cleveland and what you'd be excited to do. We're going to take that and use it to develop our next big thing. We also gave you a design challenge to create a toy that had to do with balance. I know that some of you have been tinkering with that. I know that Sylvie, for example, who created a top in the first place, used a few new shapes this time and a few different kinds of coins. I also made a top. So I looked around to what I had at home. I had some cardboard, and I wanted to make my top in the shape of a circle. So I took a bowl, just a dessert bowl, I put it right on my cardboard, and I traced around it. That gave me a nice circle that I could then carefully cut out. And then I took my trusty ruler and I measured it. Whoops, wrong side. I found the center, I put a dot in that center, and then I cut a slot that was the same width as my quarter. Now I pop my quarter through there, and now it's my pivot point as well as my handle for my top. So what do you think? Think it works? Let's see. Works pretty well. Not bad. That's science. And only 2 materials, so there's a lot we could do to get more creative with it. Still, I'm pretty proud. Okay, that's all for today, folks, but tomorrow we're gonna come back at 10:30 a.m. with more exciting content. And in fact, it's one of my favorite science shows, Fire and Ice. It'll be a good time, so be sure to join us then. Hit subscribe if you haven't already. Take that survey and keep communicating with us in the comments and on social media. We love hearing from you. Okay, folks, 10:30 tomorrow, but until then, you know what to do. Stay curious.